Welcome to our 2023 Showcase of Products.
You're going to see all kinds of things, all the way from automation to hose and fittings, to industrial hose, to electric motors, industrial pumps. It's just so exciting to see something that so many people have worked hard to make happen, come together, and it's just a great day.
The exposure that we get from an event like this is unmatched. Basically like making 100 sales calls in a day.
We want to show off our new products, what we have, and what we really support Air Hydro with.
So it's an opportunity for us to showcase new product and also connect with new customers.
It's great to get the exposure with the customer base and all the great salespeople here.
Air Hydro, of course, always puts on a great event, so very important to the growth of our company.
I mean, this is one of the best events I've attended.